Hello everybody, my name is Daniel Wilson with Vanco, and today we're going to talk about 70-volt audio. So what is 7-volt audio? 7-volt audio is a constant voltage or high impedance audio distribution system. 70-volt is going to be typically mono as opposed to stereo audio. But with 70-volt audio, we can allow a single amplifier to drive multiple speakers. Speakers are typically wired from one to the next, and on the back of the 70-volt speakers are taps for different power levels based on the amp output. The advantages of 70-volt over 8 ohm. So 70-volt is typically for commercial applications, while 8 ohm is typically for residential applications. 70-volt allows for more speakers and longer runs and is a perfect solution for playing background music, making public announcements, large areas such as restaurants and department stores or schools, and to make mass notifications. 8 ohm speakers typically come with a matching transformer, while 7-volt speakers have a wattage tap, and that determines the sound level of the speaker. The total wattage of all speakers determines amplifier size. When placing 7-volt speakers, this will provide the most cost-effective coverage of an area. We can cover larger areas compared to wall-mounted speakers, and we can avoid obstructions like partitions, furniture, and more. For 7-volt speaker placement, for the spacing, you want 2 times the ceiling height from each speaker and 1 times the ceiling height from the walls. On this top view, here we have 2 times the ceiling height from all the speakers, and the speakers by the walls have 1 times the ceiling height. So how many 70-volt speakers do you install? First, we need to know the total square footage of the room and the ceiling height. Once we know that, we take the total square footage of a room, divide that by the ceiling height times 2 squared, and that will equal the total number of speakers you need to install. Ceiling speaker wattage is based on ceiling height and ambient noise level. So because the wattage is set at 8 speakers, more speakers provide better coverage than higher wattage. For speaker circuit wiring, the gauge determined by total watt and distance. So the T-tapping and multiple home runs is permitted, and multiple cable runs allow smaller wire gauge to be used. For more information on our 70-volt speaker line, please visit us at vanco1.com.